LT1000 from LeakTronics versus budget leak finders purchased on Amazon. Which one actually works? There is a leaking water service line under this concrete walkway. This is what each device hears. The LT1000 from LeakTronics. The HY929 from Tanksy. The wall microphone from Hiazoki. Here are the same units testing water friction flow. The LT1000 appears to be discontinued, though the new model, the LT2000 kits, can be purchased from the LeakTronics website between $3,600 and $5,300. Used LT1000 models can still be found for around $2,500. The HY929 can be purchased on Amazon for around $54. The wall microphone can also be purchased on Amazon for close to $15. Would you take a chance on the cheap ones? Which tool sounds best to you? Leave a comment below.